not going to be your average YouTube video. It's probably going to be a good deal worse. But here we are. Captain Steve here. Steve Sheffield's Electronics Shop in Hot Springs, Montana. And we have here the Tektronix analog scope. It's a 500 megahertz bandwidth oscilloscope, or at least that's what it was rated at the factory. You see how fast it's going. But it's capable of more than 500 megahertz. This one is a 1 gigahertz scope. This one is almost as fast. What we've got here is a bunch of remote controls. But I'm going to use this on my illustration here. We're going to look at the output of this remote on this oscilloscope. Yes, sir. On the end of the scope probe. And what we're going to do is look at the output of the RF radio frequency output in real time. Well, let's go. From the era, there's no radio interface at all. There's trigger pulse and 9 additional pulses. And what we can do is change the width of those pulses by changing the switch settings. But I'm going to move these switches up one at a time, 1 through 9. One. Actually, that's 2. That's 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or another 9, then 8. C, and now I'm moving on back down to about a half a pulse. I'll move the mic to the middle. There, all in the middle here. See how neat that works out? It looks like it's being modulated, that's an illusion. What a nice scope. In reality, it's a carrier wave, which is at 340 megahertz. And to prove that, I need a fast scope, a very fast scope like this one. There it is, 340 megahertz. There it is, in front of you, in front of your eyes on this video. And not many oscilloscopes, especially the digital ones, will be able to see that frequency. It's just too damn fast. The sampling rate on a digital oscilloscope would have to be enormous to see that. But this is real time.
Kept on talking.